Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. This time comparing photos shot with a GoPro Hero 9 Black and a DJI Osmo Action. The photos from the Hero 9 Black were shot in the super photo settings with linear lens. The photos from the DJI Osmo Action were shot in auto exposure bracketing mode, and then I have chosen the photo that looked better in my opinion. In these two images, you may see that the GoPro delivers sharper images and more vibrant colors. Nevertheless, some might say that the GoPro over-sharpens and over-saturates the colors, so it will always come to personal preferences. Here the image from the GoPro is cropped in to 400% and the one from the DJI to 300%. Nevertheless, I think you have more detail and less noise on the GoPro image, and this is something that is not subjective anymore. In my opinion, the GoPro gets better results when it comes to photography. What do you think?